Now I wanted to do a little review on this product here that I got for the rabbit. The unit looks like it does have, like I said, over here, I have to get some different rubber bands. I have to get rubber bands for all the way around. I didn't get enough rubber bands, so that's what we have to do. But this is what it does look like put together. I would say that it's an okay product if they give you enough rubber bands and things like that to make it sturdy. That would be a lot more better. And if you do have a rabbit that is a chewer, it won't last too long, is my guess, because if you look on like here, it is super, super thin. I'll show you. It is super, super, super thin. So that is a thing that you might need to know on there. This spot here is supposed to be for hay. So what you do is you take this out and you put the hay in. However, I don't think my rabbits will be putting any, I won't be putting any hay in there. My rabbits won't be eating any hay out of there because I just don't think that it would work, because it's got like little here, but I don't think that this is going to help with any hay. I don't think my rabbits are actually going to go in there and eat any hay. And if they do get this here, they might fall right straight down, the little ones. So what we're going to do is I think I'm going to put something on here to keep that so it's closed. And then my little ones wouldn't be able to get out and into that area, because it doesn't, it's like, it's got that, an open part. So if they do want hay, so if you decide to put hay in there, it does have an open spot, but I still don't know if that would work, because to me, it just seems like this is too little, but we'll see. I suppose we can put a little bit of hay in there to see exactly if it does work and if my rabbits do like it. We'll just see how the rabbits like it. There we go. Maybe, are you gonna eat some of this hay? We'll see how it is. Now I put hay in there. Now this is what it's gonna look like from the inside. This is what it looks like from the outside. So they might eat a little bit of it, but I don't know how much they're actually going to eat in there. So we'll see if she comes and eats it. I got her eating some hay, but it's very hard for her to get it out. But she still is eating the hay that is sticking out. So what you do is you have this here like that, and it just bands like that. But now look, just by moving it around and putting that on there, this thing came off again. So you would think that they would want to put rubber bands on it. So they didn't give me enough rubber bands. So hopefully the company reaches out to me, and I have reached out to them to say, hey, can I have some more rubber bands? Because I really don't want to put like regular rubber bands. If I had to, I would, but I wanted to kind of look nice with these kind of rubber bands. And so, see, and you just kind of have to put it back together again. So, and then with the rabbits moving it around, like she did when she was playing, she just moved it around. See, then we got this. So, as you can see, Mirabelle likes it. But then on the back side, if you look on the back side, it does have where it's a full piece of wood. So you only get this part here on the inside. So it gives them more of like the Heidi hut type thing. This here, they can get up and it's sturdy enough to where they can get up and go. This is not so sturdy. This will fall apart. So what I decided that I'm going to do is actually just take it off. And when I have two hands, of course, and take this off and they don't even need it. It's basically just there for, see, it's very thin. It's just falling apart. Like I said, they didn't give me enough of these, so it is falling apart a little bit here, but this is sturdy enough. And then on this model itself is, now on this model too, it does have this where you can take this out and then you put hay in there. And then you put the food dish or the treats or whatever you want. This did come really dented, very much dented. And it says here that it is a high quality stainless steel. Absolutely not. It is not high quality at all. It is, you can go like this and pretty much, if you go like this, obviously this part is a little bit thicker, but if you push on this or anything, obviously you can tell it will dent. So it is not high quality at all. It is actually very thin. And like I said, it matches the thin wood. If you look at the wood, it is thin. This here has these, and this is where you are supposed to put like the actual rubber bands. And then that way you put one here and here. Some of them are missing because I'm waiting for them to actually bring me the rubber bands. So I might have to go just buy some rubber bands itself. Same thing with this. We had to rubber band it all the way around. It does have this. Now, one thing I noticed about this is some of these, see, here's another one that it's bent and bowed. So you don't have to put like a rubber band there, but I would have to put something because it's bowed. See, and just by the rabbit moving it around, the rabbit moved it when she was playing. It actually, see, it's bowed. So I'm going to have my husband do some stuff because, see, once that one puts in, then this one doesn't because it's bowed. So that's another thing that my husband has to try to figure out how we get it so it's not bowed. The thing that I can say about this is it took a long time to get here. And the other thing too is this is very, very, very thin wood. If you can tell, it's very thin. So if your rabbit likes to chew a lot, most likely it won't last that long because it is super, super thin. It seems to be good as in like how they cut it out. Every cutout, like on the cutouts, are actually good. I don't see any spurs or any wood shavings that would hurt anybody or any rabbit or any type of animal. They do have some cool cutouts like in the different things here to make it kind of cool, the different cutouts. Again, the instructions were basically showing you a picture of what it is, and this, that, and it doesn't show you anything. It just shows you a picture. So, that is kind of how they tell you. It wasn't like hard to put together because obviously it was easy to put together, but still they don't give you instructions to say number 1 goes with number 2. Number 2 goes with number 3. That's not how it is. It's just pictures. One other thing that I wanted to tell you too is if your rabbit does move this, it will come apart because it doesn't stay together. Like here, you would think that you would put rubber bands on each one of these just so they don't move. But I didn't have enough, and it doesn't show that it's supposed to. My husband said it's only supposed to be on the ones that have like the little cutout. I wanted to show you kind of what I was telling you. It has like a notch out so you can put the rubber band on. See if I can do it one-handed here. So what you do is you have this here like that, and it just bands like that. But now look, just by moving it around and putting that on there, this thing came off again. So you would think that they would want to put rubber bands on it. So they didn't give me enough rubber bands. So hopefully the company reaches out to me, and I have reached out to them to say, hey, can I have some more rubber bands? because I really don't want to put like regular rubber bands. If I had to, I would, but I wanted to kind of look nice with these kind of rubber bands. And so, see, and you just kind of have to put it back together again. So, and then with the rabbits moving it around, like she did when she was playing, she just moved it around. See, then we got this. So, remember, look at, I put this right here.